Hey Fred, what are you doing?
Trying to fix the machine here.
Is the time machine not working?
It wasn't. It was actually what we have here. In the modern age now, we have LED bulbs, but back then they had incandescent bulbs, which would work off of a dimmer switch, which you can see now because there's no high voltage amperage. LEDs are amperage driven, so as soon as we get enough amperage going through that bulb, that's why these come in. And then if I turn it right up, they stay on by themselves because now there's enough amperage to drive them. So you just learned something. LEDs are amperage driven, not voltage driven. So,
awesome. So the time machine's working now?
It is working in perfect condition.
Awesome. Where are we going to go? What time are we going to travel to?
I would think that we should go back to the pirate age. What do you think?
I think that sounds like a great idea.
Y'all ready?